Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to sync Google Sheets to Google Calendar. If you've ever felt the frustration of manually transferring data between your Google Sheets and Google Calendar, then this guide is here to solve that problem for you. By syncing these two powerful tools, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring that your scheduling and planning are always in perfect harmony. Imagine the ease of having all your calendar events automatically updated in your Google Sheets, saving you time and reducing the chances of missing an important event. So, let's get started on this journey towards a more organized digital workspace. The first step is to open your Google Sheets in your web browser. As you navigate to Google Sheets, make sure to select the specific sheet where you want your calendar events to appear. This is crucial because this sheet will be the destination for all the calendar data you import, allowing you to keep everything neatly organized in one place. Once your Google Sheet is open, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here, you'll find the Extensions button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, hover over Add-ons and then select Get Add-ons. This is a pivotal step because without the right add-on, connecting your sheets to your calendar would be impossible. You'll be taken to the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type Sheets to GCal and hit Enter. Sheets to GCal is a specially designed tool that acts as a bridge between Google Sheets and Google Calendar, making it the perfect choice for our task today. Once you spot Sheets to GCal in the search results, click on Install. Follow any prompts that appear to finish the installation process. This will seamlessly integrate the add-on with your Google Sheets, setting the stage for the next steps. After installing Sheets to GCal, it's time to see it in action. Go back to the Extensions menu in Google Sheets. Now you'll notice that Sheets to GCal is listed as an option. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu, choose Import Calendar to Sheet. This is where the magic begins, as your calendar data starts to flow into your sheet. A new screen will appear, asking you to select which Google Calendar you want to import. Make sure to choose the calendar that holds the events you need to track. This ensures that the correct data is synced, maintaining the accuracy of your scheduling information. Take a moment to double-check your selection before proceeding. Once you've selected your desired calendar, click on Clear Sheet and Import Calendar. This action is vital, as it ensures that your Google Sheet is updated with the most current events from your chosen calendar. If your sheet has any previous data, it will be cleared to make way for the new information. Sheets to GCal will then import the selected calendar events into either a new sheet or a linked existing sheet, depending on your setup. This process might take a little time, so be patient while the add-on performs its task. After the import process is complete, a confirmation dialog box will appear. It's important to confirm this action by clicking on Yes. This final step solidifies the syncing of your Google Calendar with your Google Sheet. And just like that, you've successfully linked your Google Sheets with Google Calendar. With this integration, you can now manage your schedule more effectively and keep your planning organized using the powerful tools within Google Suite. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to sync Google Sheets to Google Calendar. If it did, please let us know down in the comments section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel.